Hi, Regina here. Now it was a long time ago since I shot a video. I like the saying that it's very important that you have kind of the right feeling to things when you do it. If you're not up to it, don't do it. So I wanted to talk to you about some things. Imposter syndrome, limiting beliefs, decision making. Some people have difficulties to make decisions. They're not so used to making decisions. And now during COVID, it has been a lot of decision makings and opinions. How to view change is also something I can feel many people can feel very insecure and not so safe. Choices, habits. The one that you'll look in the mirror is the one that is responsible. It's a common saying within personal growth. Family, friends, and network. Who should you ask for advice? In what areas should you ask advice from who? Is a very important question, right? Because many make answer a question based upon their decisions that they have made in their life. It doesn't mean that is true or right for you, okay? Something that is very important is to really find out your why, your purpose in life. That is very important within personal development or personal growth. Why do I do this? I have a lot of stories on my timeline, also on my website. You can check them up if you like. And one thing that is very important for me, that drives me as a why for me, is my dad. He has really had a huge influence on me and my life and my why, things that I do, why I do things I do. Other people also inspire me, of course. But it's part of my why. And if something is not part of your why, then you will give up too soon. You will feel more insecure and you will kind of question yourself more. But if you question yourself, you can do that along the ways as well, because perhaps you just are exhausted or you need some guidance. That's why it's so good with coaching. You know, coach within sports is so important, right? So when you feel that you question yourself, a coach is there to lift you up and to remind you of your why. And you need a plan, a structure to get where you want to go. These topics that I just mentioned is topics that is kind of very common within personal development or personal growth. If you want to go from point A to B in a much faster way, to avoid the pitfalls and to take the shortcuts. So it is really shortcuts, right? I have a Facebook group and I will put a link in the description below. So you can go in there and see some more videos where I explain all these subjects quite in depth, actually. So you can see what I do. And then I have mindset coaching. I've been doing that online for 1.5 years now during COVID. And it's very exciting. I both have pre-recorded options, so you can see and study in depth on repeat when it suits you. That is on my website. I also have business educations, since I've been working within business for 25 years as a consultant and other things. So you can check out on my website what I've been doing. So if you want to change your career, if you just fed up with your 9-to-5 job or whatever, you want more out of life than just cracking a beer on Friday night and just live for Friday, Saturday night, and then life is a mess. There's perhaps time to do something about it, right? So to have a more everyday joy in your life is something I want to recommend you to. To more question the certain way of life that we just society say that we should have, right? And that's where you come down to choices. Do I have to do it the same way as my parents did? Or can I do things that other way? Now there is possibilities, definitely, with the online gives you the an international market, right? So it's very exciting. You can request access to my Facebook group for free. You can check out there the videos. You can sort them in different topics as well. You can watch them there, and you can get to know me more, what I do, and what's the primary reason for things I do, what I say. It's international acknowledged methods that I use, similar as many other coaches as well. So choose a coach that you resonate with and choose different coaches as my recommendation. I've done that. It's a really good idea because every coach has their kind of their own specialty. So you can also check out on my website. I have the mindset coaching, I have the business educations pre-recorded. If you want to combine this, I have the new business mentorship program where I'm with you each week for 1 year to really give you the support you need to avoid pitfalls and take shortcuts with your business. So either you want to start your own business or you want to scale it up, perhaps hire a team, a network. So check out the links in my bio as well, my stories. And I hope to see you in the Facebook group to start with. And welcome to visit my website. Hope to see you there.